Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Cineplex movie ticket online. First, go to Google and search for Cineplex support. Click on the official Cineplex support website that appears first. On the support page, look for the option to submit a request. Enter your email address and in the subject line, type cancel ticket. In the description box, write that you'd like to cancel your movie ticket and include your booking ID. This starts with W and can be found in your PDF confirmation. Scroll down and choose the reason for cancellation, such as selecting the wrong movie or time. Leave the session field empty, then click Submit. Finally, check your email for a confirmation that your ticket has been canceled. And that's it. That's how to cancel a Cineplex movie ticket online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.